Good morning, everybody. Back in California, and today we're gonna hike Placerita Canyon. I haven't hiked here since last winter when it was full of water and we had so many creek crossings. That was a lot of fun. But from what I can see now, there's no water in the creek, at least not here at the trailhead. But let's do this hike. See how it goes. This is the Canyon Trail with the one we're going to be doing today, and my favorite. It's not a hard trail, not too long, 1.8, and when you get to the end there's another short trail that takes you to a waterfall. I might try and see how that is flowing along now. Probably not enough water, but for now let's just walk this trail to the end, and then we'll decide if we want to go check out the waterfall or not. Okay, I see water up ahead. So there is a little bit of water still in the creek. Wait, this is incredible. Incredible. It's never dried. Wow. Look at this. Gorgeous. So it's about 8 a.m. right now. It's a bit chilly. It's actually 7 a.m. Actually 9 a.m. if you will, because daylight savings ended last night. So it was funny, I woke up this morning and I'm like, how is it 6:30? But yeah, I forgot that we turned the hour backwards. But yeah, it already feels like fall. It's kinda nippy. I like it. I like it. We're getting into my favorite season. Hot weather is finally gone, and now we can enjoy longer hikes with beautiful weather. Look at the size of these acorns. Remember, mine are waterproof boots, so I'm not gonna bother with sketchy logs. Like I said, I've been hiking this trail for, I don't know, 2010 at least, and it's never had water all year long. This is incredible. Hopefully this next winter it's gonna be equally as wet, and same thing can happen again. All these SoCal creeks having water all year long, especially all summer long. Wow, very cool. Oh, look at down there, there's a deep pool. Let's check it out. Wow, that is nice. Look at that, it's probably a couple feet deep. Huh. Got water coming in here. Got the pool. And there's like a natural dam over there. Probably that's why it's pooling over here. But yeah, this is at least a foot and a half, couple feet over there. Must be nice during the summer. Take a dip in here. Very cool. Look at that tree. I wish we had more places in Southern California where the trees would turn for the fall. There are some, but of course, compared to some other places, it's very little over here. We're at mile 1, so a bit more to go. As I said earlier, it's an easy trail, but I absolutely love it. I think it's the nature that surrounds it. That's what I really, really like about this trail. And in the hotter months, you get a lot more shade here compared to other places. So cute, this Asian old guy. He's like, this is the first time doing this trail, so when I finish it, what city is at the end of the trail? I'm like, there's no city. It's just, you know, same as here. You have to turn around and go back to the parking lot. He's like, oh, okay, I'm going back, I'm tired. So cute. But it's good. He's getting out, doing exercise, getting fresh air. That's what it's all about. So we're coming close to one of my favorite features of this trail, which is natural gas coming out of the ground. There was gas all over here in California, and it was commercialized in the 1800s, but I guess now it's just an attraction. Sorry for the shadow on my face. Yeah, it's right up here. I wish I could have smell-o-vision. You could even smell it. Let's see if we get any bubble action. And there's the sign, you can pause it and read it. Check out the views. So over there is the road, Santa Clarita Road. I mean Placerita Canyon Road. Look at these views. How come you not love this place? It's so beautiful. 1.5 miles. We're almost there. Here's a better view of the road. Let's zoom in. Time to take off my hoodie. I think it's about... Well, actually, I don't have to think. Let's check it out. 9:15. I'm already sweating. I don't think it's that hot. It's probably 70s, low 70s. But yeah, that's what happens when you're exercising. This used to be a ranch, Walker Ranch, and they got a lot more ruins across the street. Back in the day, can you imagine California during the, I guess, the pioneer days, when there was a lot of gold here? Well, I guess there still is gold, but during the gold rush and the times when Southern California was probably just like this. Natural and wild. So this is the end of the trail, as you can see. Easy but gorgeous. Let's sit here for a sec. So right in front of me, there's another trail that goes up the hill. That's a hard one, I've never done that one. And then over there, well, I can't see it through the trees, but there's a trail to a waterfall. I might do that. I don't know if I'm gonna go all the way to the waterfall, because I already did it last winter, and I'm gonna link that one up here. But maybe we'll do a little bit, see how the creek is flowing over there. Let's get some water. Okay, I think we're gonna do a little bit of the waterfall trail just because I want to see how the creek looks over there. Let's go. Waterfall trail. Okay, I think we're almost to the end of what I'm gonna walk today. Let's see how much water we got here. Oh wow, yeah, this was a much bigger pool last winter. Let's just go over there, take a closer look, but that's as far as I'm gonna go today. You got all the acorns that I collected down there. Right, that's as far as we're gonna go today for the waterfall trail because, as I said before, I already did it during the winter when it was flowing way nicely. So I'm gonna link it up here if you want to see that one. And now I just turned around and we're gonna start heading back to the car. Wow, look at the size of this mushroom. Huge. Look, compared to my hand. That is gigantic. Trail is done. We're at the visitor center. Checking out the animals and stuff over here. Right by the parking lot. The owls are not what they seem. Let's see who gets that reference. So here's the trail we did. So we started here, Canyon Trail all the way, and then we took the waterfall trail probably like up to here. Did all that walk. Well, that was a nice hike. Took us about a couple hours and we did around 5 miles out and back. So not bad. It's really crowded now, so perfect time to leave. I don't know where I'm gonna go next, but we'll see. Stay tuned for another video. And I hope you like this one. And if you're in the area, consider coming here because it's a really nice walk. And as you can see, the creek still has water, which is great. I bet you Whitney Canyon, right next, on the next exit, probably still has water as well. So I might have to check that one out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.